Hey y'all, it is Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video. Today we're talking about one of my favorite work at home job resources, Rat Race Rebellion. They have been in business for over 25 years. I have been using this website for about 7 years, and I don't want to gatekeep. I want to help people find work at home jobs, and this is one of the best places to go. So, we're going to just explore this website really quick. It is well organized. They have posts from way back that you can go look at, maybe just to get an idea about what is out there. They have a well organized big list of jobs and gigs. You can go search. This is like a really cool tool. I really like this. It's alphabetized as well, so you can go down the list if you wanted to and see if these places are hiring. There are hundreds of companies on this list, so hopefully by the time you finish going down through there, you will find something. They're not all hiring at this time, but they will be hiring at different points, so bookmark this page. You can come back to it. We're going to go over to the work at home job course. It is 100% free and it is well organized. I have not taken this course, but I definitely believe in the owner of this website. I believe that she wrote it and organized it, and since it's by Rat Race Rebellion, I believe in the course. Now, there is one more thing I want to show you. Hold on one second. Okay, so the owner of this website has organized this, which is really cool. So it says, looking for a work at home customer service job, get listed on our free Check Me Out customer service rep list. And you can go down to this Google application setup. You can apply. It doesn't take very long. And how does this help you? You can be among the first to hear of new jobs. Work at home jobs are filling faster than ever. Now you can apply much earlier, before the crowd. Hear directly from hiring companies rather than going through job boards and blogs. This Check Me Out form. Complete the form below. Join the list. Be sure to pay close attention to the details. A wrong email address, for example, means the hirers can't reach out to you. Briefly tell employers why you feel you're an extraordinary customer service pro, and you can go from there. Use the gray scroll bar on the right of the form to navigate to the bottom. By completing and submitting this form, you're granting us permission to share your information with screened legitimate employers. This is really cool. And I know right now layoffs are going on. Everything seems to be up in the air and there's so much uncertainty. I feel like this could help somebody find a work at home job maybe faster than going through the search boards and stuff like that. So with that being said, I hope this helps somebody out there. I hope that you guys, get what you need. And if you did, please comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. To find more trusted work at home resources, you can go to my Discord. It is 100% free. There is a tab there. It is called the Trusted Work at Home Resources. You can just scroll up, or you can look at the pinned messages and you can see other trusted work at home websites that I have collected and posted here. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Bye for now.